Did you hear that? How did that make you feel? Did it make your ears hurt? Okay, maybe not, but imagine 8 hours of that every day. Do you think then it would have an effect on you? Our practice was in 3 different kindergartens, and some of them requested noise as our topic. So, our research question is: how does noise affect the children in the kindergarten? What is noise? Noise is defined as unwanted sound and can be split into two: impulse sounds and constant exposure. Impulse sounds are often very loud and is often the cause of hearing damages like tinnitus or hearing loss. It is a frequent problem in kindergartens, for example, from loud cries or bricks falling to the floor. With constant exposure, hearing loss may also occur gradually, but the biggest issue is due to constant exposure of noise is a higher stress level. Over to the research part. Research says that noise under most circumstances interrupts cognitive processes. According to Arbeidstilsynet, half of the reported health issues are hearing disorders. This shows that noise does indeed affect our health. Our alertness will, according to the research article, be disturbed by noise. Disturbance of our alertness will increase the chances of accidents. We also see that our response time will be prolonged when disturbed by noise. This can potentially be dangerous if an emergency should occur. It is believed that this happens due to our attention being drawn between different types of stimuli in noisy surroundings. We chose interview as our method and interviewed educational leaders in 2 different kindergartens. They seemed to have the same problems and they both told us basically the same things. That's why we chose to present our findings as quotes, which we feel sum up both interviews. When it gets noisy, I get stressed out and that affects the children. We try to split the children into smaller groups to increase the noise. The noise gives the children headaches, makes them exhausted, and make them sit with their hands covering their ears. They speak louder and louder to drown each other's voices. Playing gets more violent and aggressive. It's frightening how little time the children spend resting. I think that they, without a doubt, would want to, given the chance. I think noise affects the children in somewhat the same way that it affects us adults. The noise level in the morning often reflects the noise level for the rest of the day. When we talk to the children about if the noise bothers them, they tell us it makes them tired. The children's level of stress will affect them in the future. Okay, so how does noise affect the children in the kindergarten? They get headaches, complain about pain in their ears, and they get stressed. Playing gets more aggressive, they lose focus, and they get more moody. So during our practice, we learned how noise in the kindergarten actually will affect the children both now and in the future. We saw the importance of preventing the issues following noise exposure by lowering the noise level, and we think that this needs to be focused on more in kindergartens everywhere.